So hello guys, we'll be starting off with our first chapter of inequalities. I've already discussed, kind of a few formulas and a few tricks on how to go about things in this chapter. Now we'll be moving on to questions, right? So this is the first question we are dealing with. So in this question, you can see that, I think just let me complete the question. So in this question, you're required to compare these two. Okay. So in this question, you're given x plus y is equals to 1, 6.5x plus 8.5y, 8.5y is greater than or equal to 7.3, and you have to compare 0.8 and x, right? So again, this is a rather simple question because if you can see, you have to compare 0.8 and x, right? So over here, there is no y. So whenever we see this question, we should be able to think that since there is no y, we have to eliminate y in some or the other way, right? And since there are two variables in two equations, we can easily eliminate one variable. So let's do that. So over here, we can write it at 6.5x plus 8.5, right? Instead of y, because we have to eliminate y, we should write it in terms of x. So x plus y is equals to 1. So we can write y is equals to 1 minus x, right? 1 minus x is greater than or equal to 7.3. I think you just solve this and you will get your answer. So plus 8.5 minus 8.5x is greater than or equal to 7.3. If you solve this, 6.5x minus 8.5 minus 2 gone over there, so 2x is less than equal to 8.5 minus 7.3, which is 1.2. So x is less than equal to 0.6, right? So we were asked to compare 0.8 and x. Since x is less than or equal to 0.6, so 0.8 will always be greater than x, or 0.8 is obviously always greater than this. So this is greater, so your answer becomes A. I think this was a very simple question that you should have no problem with.